Raw citrus, beautiful. Look good enough to eat, man. So let's start with yellow Jasper. So right here I have a 2-pound little ASMR. Oh, I didn't get it. This is a lot of crystals. I don't know if it's showing how big it is. It has a little ASMR. Can y'all see? Can y'all see that? Yellow Jasper. Here's one. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Show y'all another one. It's on the lighter side. Beautiful. Oh! Man, this is my color, y'all. Right. This is 1 pound. So the difference between 1 pound and 2 pounds. Everybody know rose quartz. Rose quartz. Ew. I like the way they're cut. They're not round. They're like cut almost like an imperfect cube. You know. Next is raw crystals from the same brand. I love raw crystals. To me, it has a deep meaning. Like they're raw crystals. They're in their natural form, and they're beautiful. And that's how we are. In our natural form, we are so beautiful. Raw crystals, up close. These raw crystals are, the size is amazing. That's like 2 inches. Here go another one. Yep. So that's the raw crystals right there for you. Oh! It's gonna be amethyst. Raw amethyst. Because it's holding on to the camera. Beautiful. Can I see? Let me get it to focus. I don't have no Sony 360,000, so it ain't gonna focus like that. Get up a little bit so y'all can see it. Just a little raw amethyst action. Here go another beauty. A little raw amethyst action. Thumbnail. So these are rose quartz. I'm gonna use them for meditation stones. You can hold, that way you can hold, let me open them. I don't know if y'all like me, but I love when people like open stuff on YouTube. So it came on this little flippy floppy piece, and then you just, and so, oh, it's beautiful. Yeah, that's beautiful. Oh, it's so exciting. And so it could be a piece like this that you hold and meditate. Tiger's eye. I'm gonna bust these babies open too for y'all. Squares. That's so cool. This reminds me of y'all a freaking cheesy. This is sad, but I don't know how to pronounce this word correctly. So don't laugh at me in the comments. A chabacon? You know what? A cabo tree. I just know they are the crystals cut so that you can use them for jewelry. And then I also got clumsy, and I also got some amethyst. So this first one, I have already opened them to make sure that, you know, everything's supposed to be what's in there. You see. Alright. And then I also have selenite. Isn't she beautiful? Alright, and that is what I got with that. So, let's pour this out. Y'all, so this is one of my favorite purchases that I got when I did this little huge crystal buy. So these are apricot agate. insert pictures too. Because I know I don't have iPhone on my iPad, so I'm not there yet. But I'll insert pictures too. Oh, I'm tripping. I didn't show y'all the other big boy that came in here. And boy, let me tell you. I love me some malachite. Malachite. Like, beautiful. Malachite. Beautiful. Look at those beautiful bands in it. Oh my goodness. Beautiful crystal. Just beautiful. When I say I love crystals, I just love how these beautiful stones be looking at. They're not man-made. This is not plastic. This is not nothing. This is made from Mother Earth herself. That's so beautiful. The beauty that comes from Mother Earth. The beauty from flowers to humans to animals. I'm getting excited. Next order. Oh, this is just. I can show y'all this too. It's not crystals. It's a mold. It's a full mold. Crystal ball mold. Actually, it's like a moon too. That I'm gonna be using for something else. Okay, so we're coming up to our last one. This one came in a box. Like I said, I have stuffed everything back in here. So we got a couple that came in this one. You know. So I probably need to scoot up because I'm looking a little. I'm not looking a little right. Okay, so they all came in bags, and they all came labeled in bags. We got some citrine. Yeah, the citrine. No, I dropped one. Dropped the baby. Citrine, beautiful. We know we love that citrine. Citrine is my yellow souls out there. And this crystal is associated with the solar plexus. We have the amethyst. Remember, we had the raw amethyst that I got too from the local store. And then I also got this raw amethyst from the local store. These are like smaller versions that I can use in jewelry or body sprays to place on top. This is how an 8-ounce looks. An 8-ounce bag. Oh right. And ooh, beautiful. That's a lot. Ooh, let me take off this Big Daddy. This Big Daddy here. I love it. I love the uniqueness of it. Okay, so next is the raw citrine. The raw citrine. And then this is an 8-ounce too. But of course, like, it's always bigger when it comes to raw citrine. I'm not sure I see it. Oh, I dropped it. Raw citrine, beautiful. Look good enough to eat, man. Beautiful citrine. And then, beautiful rainbow moonstone. Rainbow. Ooh, you see that? And that is why it's called rainbow moonstone. Let's see a little bit. Oh, you see that? This is carnelian. I love this crystal. I'm a sucker for a yellow and a deep orange. Like, oh my goodness. So beautiful. So beautiful. I'm so excited. Like, guys, I love crystals. Look how beautiful that one is. Deep on the bottom, cream on the middle. Come on. I love labradorite, y'all. Labradorite has this like beautiful peacock like flash. Oh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh my gosh. Let's see this one. This one, ooh, this one is beautiful and gray. For me, like, I would not mind my wedding ring being an opal or being a flashy piece of labradorite or moonstone. I would crystals.